minus 46xy plus 54y minus 108. So what I am doing is now 23xy minus 46x plus 54y minus 108. So first one. So if you observe Pranavi and Maisha, first two numbers, we have to just separate them as two numbers, like this first two and next two. If required, rearrangement will also be there. That also I'll explain this. So here, by looking at these first two, which numbers we can take common from both of them? So 23, 46. The common factor for 23, 46 is 23. Means what? 46 will come in 23 table. And among x5 and x, what is common? X is. So what I will do is now, I will take 23x common from this. Because both of them contains 23x. This 23x is called as highest common factor of both of those.
Yes, sir.
Because that much
Then we'll
maximum we
write
can take.
into y minus
Sir, what?
Minus
2. 2.
Yes, Maisha. So Maisha, if you see 23xy and 46x, Maisha, the maximum thing that we can take common from it, both of them, is 23x, which will be
Yes, sir.
called as highest common factor of those
Yeah.
expressions. Yes. So here, when you take that 23x common, Maisha, in the first expression, y will be left. In the second expression, 2 will be left. Left means what here? You're taking it common. When you multiply it back, you'll get that one. 23x into y is
Yes, sir, I
23x,
understood that.
and 23x into 2 is minus 46. 23x into
So
minus 2 is
next,
minus.
in 54 and 108, 54 is common. So we write 54 into y minus 2 again.
Yes, Pranavi, that is correct.
So we can
So
write
now
23x plus 54
54 is common here.
into y minus 2.
Yes, Pranavi. Now, if you observe overall here, y minus 2 is common for both of them. That y minus 2 we will separate it. If y minus 2 is taken common, in the first part 23x is left, in the next part plus 54 is left. So this is a final factor. You can see there is multiplication between this and that. So
So
finally this is a factorized form. So which option? B.
option D.
B not because y minus 2 into 23x plus 54 by 54. Oh, y plus 2. Y minus 2 should be there, no?
Yes, sir, there is y minus
A.
2, B wala thing.
Oh, okay.
A, Maisha, A. Because this order can be anyway. 2 into 3 or 3 into 2 is same. Okay.
Sir,
So
23x plus 54 into y minus 2.
yes, Maisha. Because in the B bit
Oh,
54y is there. In the B
oh,
bit
okay.
54y is there. So this is the answer for the first one. Shall I delete this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So Maisha, I'm deleting. So answer is A with first option. The number of factors of A plus B whole square. So A plus B whole square can be written as A plus B into A plus B. Individually, A plus B is called as factor of, actually same factor, A plus B is same factor here. Pranavi and Maisha?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Pranavi. So A plus B and A plus B. We can write A plus B whole square as A plus B into A plus B. Okay. So answer is 2. These are the two factors.
Yes, sir.
So what is this? What is the answer which your school teacher said to me and Maisha? It will be 2 only anyways, because it's the same factor. A plus B only will repeat itself 2 times. Same, because it's whole square, no? That's why. Same thing whole square, no? So that's why. So answer is 2. Third one, Pranavi and Maisha. 105 into 95. Yes. Yes,
Sir,
Maisha.
it's B. 100 square minus 5 square.
C bit, Maisha, you're telling?
Sir, B.
B bit.
Sir, for the third one, it's B.
Okay, this one. Okay, Maisha. I'll explain, Maisha. This one. Actually, Maisha, we should write this 105 as 100 plus 5, Maisha. Ah, this is correct. B is correct. But how we will get that? I'm explaining, Maisha. So 105 will be written as 100 plus 5 into 95 can be written as 100 minus 5. Now, in this chapter, you will learn one
Sir, you
identity.
already taught this.
Maisha?
Sir, you already taught this.
Yes, Maisha. We have one identity kind of thing called A plus B into A minus. Whenever you have you're multiplying these two. Finally, if you multiply these two normally, with our normal multiplication, you will get the final answer as A square minus B square. So if we compare this thing with this, A is 100, B is 5. So answer will become A square minus B square.
100 square minus 5 square.
It will
100 square minus 5 square. B.
square minus 5.
Yes, Maisha, that is correct. Then next one. Highest common factor of 17 ABC, 34 AB square, 51 A square B. So generally for this, what I will, you have to write like this first. 17 ABC, 7, I'll write like this, 17 A, B, C. We cannot do further and because 17 is a prime number. Then 34 AB square, 2 into
Sir,
17. Yes, Maisha? Yes, Maisha, I can hear you. Then 51 A square B. 3 into 17 into A into A into B. Now what I will do is highest common factor means simply round the common numbers or underline. 17, here it is there, here it is. A, 1B is there. So answer is 17 into, all the three have commonly 17 A, B. So this is how I'll do generally for this Pranavi, Maisha and Pranavi and Maisha. Actually, if you see here, what I did is I just separated every number clearly like this. Prime factorization of 34, I did it. 2 into 17. AB square, I wrote A into B into B. 51 A square B, I wrote it as Pranavi, 3 into 17. Prime factorization. And A square is A into B. Now we will underline the common numbers.
Yes, sir, I got it.
17, 17, 7. Yes, Pranavi. A one time is common and B is also common only one time. Then students will get one doubt. Here, 2 is the norm is underlining and another way you can round once in all the three will become the HCF. 17 is common in all the three, A is common, B is common. Then you may get a doubt. Suppose in this one more A is there, here also one more A, here also one more A. Then that also shouldn't. Means one more A will come here, then A square you have to write. 17 A
Yes,
square.
sir.
Like that. So simply to tell the
Yes,
common
sir.
things in all the three. Yes, nice. So answer for this is 17 AB in common. So B. Then fifth question, shall I delete? I'm deleting this.
Okay, sir.
Yes. So then fifth question is, which of the following can have 2x plus 3 as one of the factors? Okay. So Pranavi and Maisha, I will come back to this question because the reason is here we need to know this particular thing, this particular factorization. Okay, I'll explain. So here we will check it, each and every option we'll check it. In 6x square 9, what we can take common? 6. Here there is no x, only numbers wise we can take common. 6 and 9. 3 is common. So 3 into 2x square plus 3. We can write maximum like this only for this. Because in 9 there is no x, so we cannot take x common. 6 and 9, among 6 and 9 we can take 3 common. So 3 into 2x square plus 3. So this is only the answer. So we can see 2x plus 3 didn't come here. They said 2x plus 3 should be the factor. So first option is this. First option is wrong. Then second option, this one, I'm writing 4x square as 2x whole square minus 3 square. Now this looks like
A square minus B
a
square.
square
So we can write it
minus
as A
b
minus B
square
square.
into a plus b. Just before some we used this a square minus b square. If any expression looks like a square minus b square, we can write it as a minus b into a plus b. So Maisha, yes, Pranav, that is correct. So when you compare these two now, what is a and what is b? When you compare this,
So 22x square
a is
is
x.
A.
So square is there here also, Maisha. Only a place 2x is there. Only b
2x
place 3 is there.
3.
Okay. So the answer will be a plus b into a minus b. 2x minus 3 into
2x
2x
plus
plus
3.
Now, if you observe for this answer 2x plus 3, one of the factor, no? You can see we got
Yes,
2x,
sir.
2x plus. I was telling before, whatever there in this product are called individually factors of that expression. So 2x minus 3 is one factor, 2x plus 3 is one factor. So for this 2x plus 3 is one of the factors, so B is correct. Now we'll check for C also because reason is one, there is one option where B and C are. Okay, so Pranavi, there is no doubt on this.
Sir, I understood.
Okay, now last one 4x square. This also we have to check because of D option. Now this one how to check then? This one first we should check for any a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square identity. If that is not there, anyways, there is one more way that also here for this a plus b whole square it will come. So now Pranavi and Maisha, what I'm doing is 4x square. Can I write 2x whole square?
Yes.
Because 2x whole square is 2x into 2x, 4x square only. Then this plus 9, I'm writing it as plus 3 whole square. Then in the middle now what I'll do is 2 into 2x into 3. I'll write it and I'll check whether I'll get 12x or not. 2x and 3, how I got this 2x is this, 3 is this. Means I'm just writing this as a square plus 2ab plus b square form and checking whether this will come or not. Okay.
Sir, it will
So if
come.
you observe, yes, now what I did first is only 4x square, I wrote 2x whole square, 9 as 3 square. This is a according to us. 2x is a and 3 is b. So now what I will do, I'll write 2ab. 2ab means 2 into 2x into 3. Okay. A is 2x, b is 3. 2 into 2x into 3 is coming it as, we are getting it as 12x. So now it looks like actually a plus b whole square. This thing look like a plus b whole square. Okay. So now if you compare this with a square plus 2ab plus b square, it is nothing but a plus b whole square. So Maisha, can you tell in the place of a and b what is there by comparing this with this? By comparing those two, in the place of a and b, quickly anyone of the Pranav and Maisha, by comparing a and b, what is there in the place of a and b?
Sir, 2x in the place of A and 3 in the place of B.
Yes, Maisha. So we can write like this, no? A plus b whole square, no?
Yes,
So
sir.
it will become what? 2x plus 3 whole square. 2x plus 3 whole square means what? Is nothing but 2x plus 3 into 2x plus 3.
Plus 3.
So, sir, is both A, B, and C.
Both B
Yes,
and
Maisha. B and only B and C, Maisha, because for the first one, 2x square plus 3 is there. We could not take x common. 2x square is like that only inside. Because 9 has no x,
No,
no?
sir, both B and C, right?
Yes, Maisha, both B and C. B. Before I heard you telling me this.
No,
So
sir.
2x plus 3 is the common factor. Yes, Maisha. That is correct. So this is how we will factorize this one. I'm going to the next one. Then sixth question, an x square plus 9x plus 20 is equal to x minus 5 into x plus 4. So Pranavi and Maisha, you can remember one thing. If the expression has everywhere plus sign, 100% in its multiplication factors, you will not have a minus sign at all. Okay. So this one is first itself, you can tell false. Most of the time, if everywhere positive sign is there in the expression, its factors cannot have a minus sign. Okay. So before factorizing itself, this one you can tell it as false. Suppose we are somewhere minus 9 or minus 20 is there, means because of this minus, while multiplying or adding, we will get minus. But this entire expression has plus sign only, so no need of multiplying this and checking. Okay. Then second one, if you see an expression can be factorized by splitting the middle term, yes, this is true. I'll explain when that model will come actually. So this one also 4x square plus 12x plus 9. These type of expressions, if you didn't get the idea of using a plus b whole square means, you can split the middle term 12x and we can do factorization. Okay. So that I'll tell when we should be splitting of middle term, I'll explain. So but AI can tell directly wrong because by looking at minus 5. Left side there is no minus at all, but when you multiply this and if you multiply it and you can check also just for confirmation x minus 5 and x plus 4, if you multiply it fully, you will not get this. So I'll check it. X minus 5 into x. So x into x plus 4 minus 5 into x plus 4. X square plus 4x minus 5 plus 20. So x square minus, you can see here 4x minus 5x minus 1x. So answer is plus 9x is there here. But we got minus 1x. So that's why it is wrong. And
Yes, sir.
if you do factorization of this also, we will not get this. I did multiplication from right side to left side, but left side to right side, if you factorize and also, we will not get this. So this is false. This is true. Splitting the middle term. Then seventh one, divide 5 into 15 into y plus 3 into y square minus 16 by 5 into y square minus 5 minus 12.